Hi from RADE Garage. In this installation video I will show you how to install our short levers on CFMOTO 450 MT. From us you will get short brake lever, short clutch lever and securing washer. For installation of our short levers we recommend you these two: Allen key size 5, flat screwdriver, socket wrench size 10, socket wrench size 13, Allen key size 7, an extension like this, pliers, wrench size 10 and a hammer. In this chapter I will show you how to remove the original levers from the bike. We will remove this bolt so we can then just move away this arm for the handguard. You will need Allen key size 5. To remove the original clutch lever we need to take out this pin. To remove the pin we need to remove this securing washer. To do that you will need flat screwdriver. You place it under the washer like this, peel it slightly off and then you will remove it like this. Now we can push the pin up. When you move aside this arm from the handguard we can now remove the pin. Use pliers on it. Be careful when you are moving the clutch lever because there is a spring hidden. To remove the brake lever we need to remove this plastic cover. Underneath there is a bolt. To remove the plastic cover you will need small flat screwdriver. We will remove this nut which holds the pin for the brake lever. You will need wrench size 10. Now we can remove the pin which holds the brake lever. You will need Allen key size 5 and I recommend you to push aside this support arm for the handguard blaster so you can have free space for removing the pin. Now we can easily remove the pin and then the brake lever. In this chapter I will show you how to remove the original parts from the original levers and how to install them on our short levers. We take this wheel for adjusting the lever. And we will install it on a short clutch lever. We'll prepare the securing washer. Take the socket wrench size 10, Allen key size 7 and push the Allen key through the securing washer so it opens more and it is much easier to install it on the pin for the clutch lever. From the brake lever we need to take this part. To do that you will need socket wrench size 13 and Allen key size 7, something like this. You will prepare it like that and then by pushing with the hammer you will take out the tube. This is what you get when you remove this tube. Watch out for the spring. Now we can remove this wheel for adjustment. We will install it on the short brake lever. Take the spring, install it here and then take this mechanism and place it like this. Take the tube and we need to push it through the brake lever and this mechanism. Prepare the tube this way. When you have it, you can use again the socket wrench, and then by hammer you will press the tube through the brake lever and the mechanism. This is how the brake lever should look like when you have done everything right. In this chapter, I will show you how to install our levers on the bike. Take the short clutch lever and this spring, place it like this, then install the clutch lever like this, and we will reuse the original pin which holds the original clutch lever. Take the securing washer and place it on the pin for the clutch lever. When you have the securing washer on place, like this, take the socket wrench size 7 and you will need a hammer, and you will press the washer against the clutch lever so it will close and secure the pin. When the washer is on place like this, the installation of the clutch lever is complete. Take the brake lever and you must place this pin in hole which is hidden here. Then when the brake lever mounts like this, you will use the original pin with a thread. You will place him like this, and then you will use Allen key size 5. When you screw the pin down like this, test the brake lever. If the brakes move freely like this, you can install the original nut on this thread on the pin. You will need wrench size 10. Place this plastic cover on the top of the pin. We can reassemble the support for the handguard and the guard. You will need the original bolt and Allen key size 5. The installation of our short levers is now complete, and I hope you will enjoy them on every ride.